Finding images and using them in your own Canvas course is what we're going to cover now. I like to use Creative Commons, so I go to search.creativecommons.org. That way I can find things that I can use without breaking copyright law. So I'm going to go to this site and I've put in, I want a down arrow. I'm just going to search Google Images. So I just put arrow down and clicked on Google Images. So now I'm going to find one that I like. I think I like that one. So I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to control click save image as. For those of you who are Mac users, control click on a PC is actually just the right click. I'm going to save it. I always save everything to my desktop because that way I can find it later. Now I think, so this is, it tells me the size of this image over here. It's 256 by 256. And if you were just going to have students look at it on the web page, it would resize it for you easily. But our students use their iPads. So it's important that you have good icon size. About 60 by 60 is what you want for icons. So I'm going to go to resizeyourimage.com and I'm going to put that image in there. And I am going to simply resize this image so that I can use it and it will be perfect every time the kids look at it on their iPad. So this is what it says it is, and I'm just going to do the minus sign until I get it down to about 60. There we go, 60 by 60. And then I'm going to hit the little yellow button that says resize your image. It's going to give me a PNG file right here. I'm just going to click on that file and you see how it downloaded it and it's going to sit here on my desktop. It now has the little 1 after it because it is a resized image. So now I'm going to go over to my wiki page here in Canvas and I want that image right there. So I'm going to go upload a new image and that is an icon. And I'm going to pick that one right there and upload it. And there we go. It's going to look nice right there. And I want to also signify right here that I want that same down arrow. So there it goes. It's just telling you that you need to download those files. And there you go. That is how you take an image or an icon, resize it, and put it in your Canvas course.